Hi, in this video it's about release, the release essential oil blend, which contains quite some different essential oils, and this one was blended for and made as a powerful emotional tool that helps us release feelings of anger and often suppressed memories and trauma. So it's helpful to process and release these emotions that can have a profound effect on both our emotional and also our physical health. So this blend, this blend of oils, actually, of different oils, works to release these feelings by stimulate our pineal gland, and which connects our sense of smell to our memory and the emotions. So this is a really interesting blend. I use it, so as you can see, there's still so much in there. So I have my new bottle already here that just arrived with my last wellness box order, and now I'm sure that I'm not running out, because it's one of those oils that I use in the AFT, in the traditional original AFT technique. AFT refers to Aroma Freedom Technique. It's a technique of Dr. Perkis. He developed that, and I learned. I'm a AFT practitioner, and did that 5 years ago. Translated the book into German, and giving group sessions in AFT to release and so that we can live more released of our blockages, because emotions can create blockages and don't let us move forward and thrive in that way that we wish our life to go and move on. So when you're stuck, AFT might be a good idea. So release is one of those blends that I'm using in there. And it has a really powerful aroma that lulls the mind. Really, it's into a sense of comfort. And I when I don't use it during an AFT session, I like to apply it here underneath my right rib cage. On that side, it's around there where the liver is. In Chinese medicine, anger is referred to the organ liver, and so applying it on there, or I just like to massage it in the ears here at the rim. It's a really nice way as well, and of course always inhale it, because it is a powerful oil, and I feel I can sleep way better when something is crawling up my liver. It's a saying in German, and it means if something crawls up your liver, it's running over your liver. Something has run over your liver. Etwas ist über deine Leber gelaufen. That means what made you angry. So it's a nice saying. I really like that one. Also, not only used in AFT or just how I just described it, it's also one of those oils that is in our Freedoms collection, in the Feelings collection. Wonderful collection. I will talk about that one as well, and it pays really well with oils like Valor or Joy, Harmony, and also Orange essential oil as a single oil. So the background is that Gary Young formulated this release as an emotional blend of 16 different essential oils in an olive oil base. And we have oils like ylang ylang, lavandine, geranium, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, which is a wonderful oil, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, Blue cypress, davana, absolutely powerful emotional oil. Kaffir lime, ocotea, jasmine, chamomile, blue tansy, which is highly supportive and calming to the central nervous system, and rose. I mean, there is rose in this one, but also the Royal Hawaiian sandalwood and ylang ylang. I mean, this is a high sesquiterpene oil. So if you do not know what sesquiterpenes are and do, please look that up. I often like to, when I want to check something, I put in benefits of sesquiterpenes. So that is a good way to check on Google. And you will find resources that I provide and that I share with you in the description of this video, and you just click on it. And if you always, when you want to know something else, please reach out or comment in my comments so that I can refer back to you. So now let's go back to release and emotions in this case. It is, as mentioned, a powerful blend to release anger and memory trauma from the liver, and creates, I think, my light just, well, we move on like this, I guess. So it's it releases these emotions, these strong emotions from the liver to create an emotional well-being, and it helps really open the subconscious mind through our pineal gland. Sandalwood, blue tansy stimulate the pineal gland. So it also and that is to release deep-seated trauma. So it helps with different feelings like anger, frustration, being held back. You know, when you feel you are held back, or when you're really rebellious and feel like, you want to fight it and go against it, when your little rebel is coming out there. No, I don't want this. So, or when you're feeling wronged, you know, it's often just our feeling, or it's a reflection on our belief sentences, on our beliefs, and what we have brought up with. These are patterns, these are emotional patterns, and we can release them. We can release ourselves with inhaling oils that are stimulating and helpful for specifically these different feelings. So it also helps promote feeling of cleansing and freedom and harmony and unconditional love. If we can release, when we are in that wonderful space where we can release our anger and frustration, these main emotions that are holding us back and block us. So when we have the chance to release that, we just can open up and bring love and reflect love, and it's all about that. So look into that oil blend. It's a strong one, it's a wonderful one, and I will have a couple of different information and also diffuse recipes in the release spotlight, that link that I share with you in this video, underneath this video. So don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified. Oh, maybe you click that little bell thingy there so that you will be notified for my next video. See you soon and stay adventurous. Bye.